Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix not working. To know how to fix or how to solve Netflix not working, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will enter to the window of Netflix. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Netflix, and if you will find here in this blue sign update, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.